Tough people. And rather appropriately, the Douglas A-26 Invader taking off there. A later model of the Douglas-built attack bomber line, following on to some extent from the mighty Havoc that your father flew. And here it is, the Douglas A-26C Invader. Field evaluation with the 386 bomb group at Great Dunmow in Essex, which had operated the Martin B-26 Marauder before switching to the Invader. With the 9th it performed well, and B and C models, the B having a solid nose, the C models we see here with a glazed one, were fully assigned to the 416th bomb group based at Melun-Vieroche at that point south of Paris that November. With the 9th Air Force they flew bombing straight. B-26s of the US Air Force served extensively in Korea, particularly flying interdiction missions against communist ground forces. They started out doing so by day. They later switched to night missions. They destroyed significant numbers of vehicles, locomotives, and rail trucks. And the invaders deployed to Korea for that early 1950s war included this very one. Is in the bomb bay from flak. Later it went on to serve as a borate bomber in the firebombing role with all sorts of civilian operators until it passed into private hands as an historic aeroplane that started with American advisors flying with South Vietnamese pilots. And then the US Air Force ordered 40 more of them, B-26 counter-invaders they were called, B-26Ks, later known again as the A-26A, to avoid the controversial use in that theatre of the B for bomber designation. They'd been reworked by On-Mark Engineering at Van Nuys, California, with beefed up airframes, more power, wingtip mounted fuel. At that time. This was a long time ago and many are not here anymore, and I am sad about that. But as pilots we never forgot the hundreds of thousands who worked together to give us safe, state-of-the-art aircraft to confront the enemy. It was this, above all, that gave us victory. We're about to present a truly unique formation. Look out to the left, shortly to run in over the motorway. Our openings from